Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are on the best part of YouTube learning channel. By using this YouTube channel, I created so many educational videos based on the subject maths, and along with that I created some videos based on a language called Python. Right now it is very interesting language, and right now it is the very popular language also for the software developers and the persons who want to run and who want to improve their talent in the software industry. Those members has to learn Python and nothing but machine language. Of course, there are so many machine languages. Right now, we all are based on Python now. So that is the reason I am just giving some, according to my knowledge, I'm just giving something based on the Python. I'm just creating some videos. Okay, so friends, so before starting the topic, today's topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel. And I just need your comments also, friends. So please give me your comments also, valuable comments. Thank you. So without getting late, let's get started the video. So in the previous video, what we just learned is if you are running your code, if you get a key error, how to clear it, we just seen up. And now we are just learning how to create a how to clear a syntax error. So friends, for that I just written a small piece of code over here. So we all know that we have to import pandas, and of course friends, it is my Jupyter notebook. I just created one new notebook with the name syntax error. Okay, so I just created. Okay, I just want to execute each and every statement. Okay, sorry. Okay friends, I'll just do it redo, then it will come back again. Okay friends, I just want to execute this. So we can just keep control and slash, forward slash. If you do, what will happen, this will come under comment section. And now I'm going to run this cell with the help of control enter keyboard, and now I'm going to remove and now I'll run it. So our Python is busy in running this. So like this, it is executed. There is no error over here. So what is this? It's nothing but I'm just explaining here. I just used the word import, and I created one data frame. In that data frame, I want to keep this my Excel file. So that's what I just printed the first one. Okay, I'll show it again. So in my data frame, I have this file. The file name is automated. Okay, and now I'm going to remove the comments and I'll execute this. In this invested amount, I have this one. I have this file, this Excel file. The file name is automated invested amount. Okay, so in my data frame, in my DF, I kept a file automated. In my invested amount, I kept a file automated invested amount. Okay friends, this is about this cell. Now moving on to this. Now what I want is, I just want to display this not in the form of a table. If you are going to see in the form of a graph, it will look very nice. So that is the reason I have just written my code over here. Now I'm going to execute this cell. See friends, it is showing a syntax error, invalid syntax. So to clear the syntax error, I have some steps. So let us follow those steps, and then we can clear the error very easily. Identify which line of code is throwing an error. So what is the error is showing? In which line it is showing error, friends? Second line. Means import plotly.graph_objects as go is showing an error. And not only that, just you have to observe Python, you know, it is very user friendly. Why we are calling this one as very user friendly? Because it is showing where, not only showing in which line, it is showing where your syntax error occurs also. So here it is showing near as. And now syntax error meaning is what? I wrote a line of code which does not existed in Python. As go is a keyword, is not a keyword which is not existed in Python. So typically function should have parentheses. In generally functions have parentheses. Okay, here we are not having functions, so I am just going to give space. So what is the mistake I done here? Space. If you observe here, whenever I hit space button, my word as is turned into green color. Is nothing but which is already existed. The keyword is already existed in Python. That is the meaning of the green color. See here, if you observe import here and as here also, and true here. So all those things are coming in green color. That means is those keywords which are already defined, they have some predefined functions in Python. And red color is nothing but our own values, so there is no problem in that, which we given in this double quotes or single quotes. So I followed here single quotes. Now my error is cleared, so I'll just execute it. Okay, Python is busy in executing the program. So let's wait, just we'll see whether is there any error or it is going to show the line chart to us. We'll see now. We have to wait a little bit. Our Python is seriously busy in performing the task. Okay, so Python finally executed. So means in this way you can just solve the error. Okay friends, I hope you all understand it very easily. Thank you.